Looking for a sewing machine that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use? The Brother CS7000X computerized sewing machine might just be your perfect match. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, this machine offers a variety of features to make your sewing projects a breeze. Let's dive into what makes the CS7000X a great choice. One of the standout features of the CS7000X is its 70 built-in stitches. This includes utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches, allowing you to take on a variety of sewing projects with ease. It even has 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, so making button closures is effortless and professional looking. Threading needles can be a hassle, but Brother has made it easier than ever. The automatic needle threader efficiently pushes the thread through the needle with just a touch. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin system is jam-resistant, so you won't have to worry about thread tangles while you sew. The CS7000X comes with a wide table, 10 sewing feet a quilt guide, and even a protective hard case. These accessories make it easier to work on different types of projects, whether it's quilting, garment making, or home decor. The trilingual user manual in English, Spanish, and French ensures that users can easily understand and maximize the machine's features. Durability is key, and the CS7000X features a sturdy metal frame, allowing it to handle thick fabrics and heavy-duty sewing. Additionally, the fixed needle bar ensures precise, even stitches, making your projects look clean and professional. If you work on larger projects like quilts, you'll appreciate the expanded needle-to-arm space. This extra room allows for better fabric movement, making sewing big projects more comfortable and efficient. Overall, the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing machine is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and durable machine. With 70 built-in stitches, an improved needle threader, a jam-resistant bobbin, and a sturdy metal frame, it's designed to meet a variety of sewing needs. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced sewer, this machine provides great value, precision, and ease of use. That's it for today's review on Women's World. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sewing and lifestyle reviews. Happy sewing!